Magnesium sulfate is a salt. Magnesium sulfate is insoluble in water. The solubility of a salt in the mass of the salt in gram that dissolves in 100 centimeter cube of water at a specified temperature. Plan an investigation to determine the solubility of magnesium sulfate in water at 50 degrees centigrade. Your plan must include how the solubility of magnesium sulfate in gram per 100 centimeter cube of water can be found. You are provided with solid magnesium sulfate, distilled water, and common laboratory apparatus. That's here. Hundred centimeter cube of distilled water. You can write using measuring cylinder and take in a container. Name the container beaker. Second point, heat the water. Heat the water to 50 degrees centigrade using Bunsen burner. Then you have to maintain the temperature of water. Maintain the temperature of water using thermometer. Then add magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate is added in excess. Until no more solid dissolve. Stirred or mixed. Then solution is filtered. Solution is filtered to remove undissolved magnesium sulfate. For the mass, measure the mass that dissolves. Using balance.